Watermelons, juicy, sweet, and refreshing. These vibrant fruits are not just a treat for the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes with their bright red flesh and contrasting green rind. They're the taste of summer, a picnic staple, and a crowd-pleasing treat. Whether you're at a family gathering, a beach outing, or just lounging in your backyard, watermelons bring a sense of joy and nostalgia. But have you ever wondered how these massive melons go from farm to table? The journey of a watermelon is a tale of dedication, patience, and a touch of nature's magic. It's a fascinating journey involving hard work, ingenuity, and a whole lot of watermelons. From the moment the seeds are planted, to the careful nurturing of the vines, every step is crucial. Join me as we explore the world of watermelon farming and discover the secrets behind this delicious fruit. We'll meet the farmers who pour their heart and soul into cultivating these juicy gems. We're talking millions of watermelons, folks, each one meticulously grown and harvested to ensure the perfect balance of sweetness and crunch. From planting the tiny seeds, which hold the promise of a bountiful harvest, to harvesting the giant fruits, it's a massive undertaking. The process involves not just manual labor, but also advanced machinery to handle the sheer volume. And it all starts with dedicated farmers who work tirelessly to bring this summertime favorite to our tables. Their expertise and passion ensure that each watermelon is of the highest quality. So grab a slice, sit back, and get ready to learn about the amazing world of watermelon production. From the fields to your plate, let's uncover the journey of this beloved fruit and appreciate the effort that goes into every bite. Every watermelon begins its life as a tiny seed, planted with care in the warm soil. Farmers meticulously prepare the fields, ensuring the soil is fertile and well-drained. They use specialized planting machines to sow the seeds at the perfect depth, giving them the best chance of germination. Once the seeds are planted, the real work begins. Farmers carefully monitor the fields, ensuring the seedlings receive adequate water and sunlight. They use irrigation systems to deliver precise amounts of water to the plants, preventing overwatering or underwatering. As the seedlings grow, they develop into strong vines, their leaves reaching for the sun. Watermelons thrive in warm, sunny climates. They need plenty of sunshine to photosynthesize and produce the sugars that give them their sweetness. Farmers carefully monitor the weather, protecting the plants from extreme heat or unexpected cold snaps. As the vines grow, they produce delicate yellow flowers which attract bees and other pollinators. These busy insects play a crucial role in the watermelon's life cycle, transferring pollen from flower to flower and enabling fertilization. Once fertilized, the flowers develop into tiny green watermelons, hidden beneath the sprawling vines. Gone are the days of hand-picking every watermelon. Modern watermelon farms utilize advanced technology and machinery to streamline the growing and harvesting processes. From GPS-guided tractors to sophisticated irrigation systems, technology plays a vital role in ensuring a bountiful harvest. Drones equipped with cameras soar above the fields, providing farmers with a bird's-eye view of their crops. These aerial images help farmers monitor plant health, identify potential problems, and optimize irrigation and fertilization. By embracing technology, farmers can increase efficiency, reduce waste, and produce higher-quality watermelons. Section 5. Harvest time. Picking the perfect watermelon. The journey to finding the perfect watermelon begins long before the harvest. It starts with the careful nurturing of the plants, ensuring they receive the right amount of water, sunlight, and nutrients. Determining the perfect time to harvest a watermelon is both an art and a science. Farmers spend months tending to their crops, watching them grow from tiny seedlings into large, juicy fruits. They must be vigilant, constantly monitoring the melons for signs of ripeness. Farmers rely on their experience, combined with visual cues and technology, to determine when the melons are ripe and ready for picking. They use tools like refractometers to measure the sugar content and smartphones to track the growth stages and weather conditions. A ripe watermelon will have a dull sound when thumped, a creamy yellow spot where it rested on the ground, and dried tendrils near the stem. These indicators are crucial as picking a watermelon too early or too late can affect its taste and texture. Harvesting watermelons is a labor-intensive process. It requires a team of skilled workers who know how to handle the delicate fruits without damaging them. Each melon is carefully examined before being picked. Workers carefully hand-pick each melon, twisting it from the vine and inspecting it for quality. They look for any signs of damage or disease, ensuring that only the best watermelons make it to the market. They place the watermelons in bins or on conveyor belts, which transport them to waiting trucks. The process is efficient, yet meticulous, ensuring that each watermelon is handled with care. The trucks, loaded with tons of juicy watermelons, then embark on their journey to processing plants. Here, the watermelons are further inspected, sorted, and prepared for distribution. From the fields to the processing plants, every step is crucial in delivering the perfect watermelon to your table. Section 6. From field to factory. The journey continues. Once harvested, the watermelons are transported to nearby processing plants, where they undergo a series of steps to prepare them for consumers. These plants are typically located close to the fields to minimize transportation time and maintain the freshness of the melons. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the watermelons are unloaded from the trucks and placed on conveyor belts. These belts transport the melons through various stages of cleaning, sorting, and packaging. The entire process is designed to be efficient and hygienic, ensuring that only the highest quality watermelons reach consumers. Section 7. Sorting, cleaning, and packaging, preparing for delivery. Inside the processing plant, the watermelons are first sorted by size and quality. Automated systems use cameras and sensors to identify any blemishes, bruises, or imperfections. Watermelons that don't meet the required standards are removed from the line. Next, the watermelons are thoroughly washed and rinsed using specialized equipment. This removes any dirt, debris, or bacteria that may be present on the surface of the melons. Once clean, the watermelons are dried and inspected again before being packaged. Section 8. Trucking the treasure watermelons on the move. After being packaged, the watermelons are loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ready for distribution to supermarkets, grocery stores, and restaurants across the country. These trucks are equipped with temperature control systems to maintain the optimal temperature for the watermelons, ensuring they arrive at their destination fresh and flavorful. The journey from farm to table can be long, sometimes spanning hundreds or even thousands of miles. Thanks to efficient transportation networks and modern logistics, consumers can enjoy fresh, delicious watermelons year-round no matter where they live. Section 9. From farm to table. Enjoying the fruits of their labor. The next time you slice into a juicy watermelon, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that went into bringing it to your table. This simple act of enjoying a piece of fruit is the final step in a long journey that began months ago. From the farmers who planted the seeds with care and precision, ensuring that each seed had the best chance to grow into a healthy plant, to the truck drivers who transported the melons across miles of highways and country roads, making sure they arrived fresh and ready for you, countless individuals played a role in ensuring you could enjoy this refreshing treat. Workers in processing facilities carefully handle each watermelon, inspecting them for quality and preparing them for distribution. So, savor every bite, knowing that you're experiencing the culmination of months of labor, innovation, and a deep respect for the land. Each bite is a testament to the dedication and hard work of many people, all working together to bring nature's bounty to your table. And remember, behind every watermelon is a story of hard work, ingenuity, and the simple pleasure of enjoying nature's bounty. The next time you enjoy a slice, think of the farmers who watched over the fields, the drivers who ensured timely delivery, and the workers who handled each melon with care. It's a story of community, effort, and the joy of sharing the fruits of their labor with you.